Probing questions are often open questions created to elicit anecdotal experiences from participants. They are designed to assess prior knowledge by adding context to the new concepts being introduced.
Why do you think we might need to know URL? We're talking about the internet.
I know what it is, but can you just say it?
Okay, so I want to go to Robert's house. I don't know how to get there. What would I need to know how to get to his house?
Just use Google Maps.
But how do I know what to do? What do I put in there to find out?
The address.
His what?
The address.
His address. Okay. So to get to Robert's house, I need to know his address. So if I want to go on and find out where do we want to go? What do we want to look up on the internet?
How to fight.
Okay, how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Okay, you were talking about WikiHow or Wikipedia earlier. How do I know how to get to that?
Search it
I
up.
need to know the address, right? So a URL is an address.